Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And my good friend Thomas sent me a new radio to show to you. This one is sold by, and I don't know how to pronounce it, but here it is. And it's on sale on Amazon for $36. It's AM, FM, shortwave, 1 and 2 shortwave bands, Bluetooth, and MP3 player. And it has auxiliary input, so you can use this as a speaker amplifier. Show you dimensions here. It's pretty good size. It's about 10.5 inches by about 6 inches, about 8 inches when you have the handle extended, by about 2 inches. Pretty hefty. Oh, yeah, it is quite hefty. It was heavy when I took it out of the box. And then it requires 4 D-cell batteries, or it comes with AC cords, so you can run it on AC. And when you put those 4 D-cell batteries in it, it's a load, but it's got a nice handle. It really looks nice. Well constructed. Big speaker. Wow. Let me see how big that speaker is. That speaker is about 7 inches. Wow, that's a big speaker. Here we have controls to learn how to talk. To select the bands, FM, AM, shortwave 1, shortwave 2. Shortwave 1 goes from 3 megahertz to 13 megahertz. Shortwave 2 goes from 13 megahertz to 23 megahertz. So it's pretty extensive. Mode control, off, radio, auxiliary, that's your auxiliary input, Bluetooth, and MP3 player. We're using the MP3 player right now, and you're listening to free music from the YouTube library. Here is the manual. Now, the way this is advertised, and let me just show you the manual. Talk about tiny print. That is tiny print. I have to use a magnifying glass. I can't read that. But it's advertised as a radio for seniors because it's very simple to use. You don't even need the manual. Volume control here. Again, this is the on-off switch. Also big tuning, smooth tuning. Doesn't have a backlight. I wish it has a backlight. It does have a scale on the bottom, overall scale on the bottom. It does have these LEDs, which if you're listening to the radio, it's an indication of signal strength. And then there's a blue light, which indicating you've locked on to a Bluetooth, which now it's blinking because it's not locked on, not in that mode. And when it's in music mode, it shows you the signal level of the music, of the audio. And then here's volume. Has, we move the box, it comes in multiple colors. Turn it around here. So here are the controls for the MP3 player. This is the headphone jack. This is auxiliary in. There's where your TF card goes, which that's what I'm using. And then you can use an old style USB card. Here's the back of it. Telescopic antenna, which does swivel. And it's about 2 feet, pretty long. Okay, let's try some of the bands here. Let's go, just turn the volume down. We'll go to FM, and then we'll turn it off, so in case music shows up. And let's go down to the bottom of the dial. I'm so used to having a tuning knob on the side. This is on the front, very smooth. Okay, we're at the bottom of FM band. Oh, I'm still in Oh, I changed the band, but I didn't change the mode. There we go. Now let's go to radio. There we go. So we're going to turn pretty quick because this is FM, a lot of music. Still down the bottom of the band. Well, yep. I knew as soon as I got off the bottom of the band, I'd get music. Not too impressed with the FM. I don't want to stop on those music. Trying to find talk radio. Yeah, well, that's very disappointing. Okay, let's go to AM.
Necessarily, I mean, we know that the conservatives are, still.
Yeah, likes this direction.
James Woods, but it's about affordability. And New York, California, Illinois, all of these super expensive states.
I don't know if you can hear it, but I hear, and that's a strong station, close by. And can you listen real carefully? You hear that wobbling sound?
There's plenty of conservatives there in the great state of Oregon, but I'm thinking Portland specifically.
Whoa.
Why would you choose to, what is it that you're...
Boy, I am not impressed with this radio.
We don't get chased by saber-tooth tigers anymore. Like, what's our biggest worry?
That's good.
Right? It's basically, did somebody like...
But that's a really strong station.
That's the biggest worry, right? That's not real.
Oop, music. Music.
Perhaps you may have been some type of study subject, and you may explain why.
I'm not impressed. I don't know if band conditions are strange or something. Let's try shortwave. I don't know. Shortwave 1, we're at about 12 megahertz. Wow. Of course, not going to get much on shortwave on a telescopic antenna. Just trying to see if I can get anything. There's 5 megahertz. Oh, there's noise. I think that was a preacher man out of Tennessee. That's about it. Yeah, let's try one more. We'll try shortwave 2. Starts about 13 megahertz. No, wow, the radio on this thing is very disappointing. Whew. Let me go back to FM and see, be a little more patient. Try to stay away from music though. Won't stay locked on. Yeah, I'm going to have to give this radio a failing grade. It really looks nice and nice big dial and the LEDs, but wow, radio reception is terrible. Let's go back to Bluetooth, MP3. Sounds good. Kind of expensive for a MP3 player though. Yeah. I'm sorry, Thomas. This one, I'm going to give it an F. It is very, very disappointing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. And have a great day. Bye-bye.